Have you ever wanted an archive of an entire website so you can access it offline, but don't know where to begin? There is an easy solution, but with limitations. The program Kiwix is an easy way to do this. It is a special web browser that only reads ZIM files. An entire web page is stored in a .zim file format. For example, if you download a ZIM file of Project Gutenberg, a website full of free ebooks, you will not only have offline access to the full website, including their entire catalog of ebooks, but you will also be able to download those ebooks individually so that you can transfer specific ones to your e-reader, such as a Kindle. Most of the websites in their list are wikis, but they do have useful options that will be valuable when you have no internet connection, such as the Project Gutenberg, iFixit, and Wikipedia. The Kiwix program itself functions like any other web browser. You get a search bar, a reading list, tabs, zoom functions, print, and can view in full screen. There are limitations of ZIM files. For one, you can't just choose what website you want archived, at least not without limitations. You can use OpenZim if you know how to code. There is an easy-to-use website called uzim.it that allows you to archive other websites in the ZIM format, but it is limited to 4 gigabytes in size. Most websites nowadays are a lot larger, which means those websites cannot be fully backed up with that method. Even with the limitations, it is still worth it. You may need a large hard drive, depending on what you want to save. Wikipedia is the largest when it comes to file size, at just over 100 gigabytes. Kiwix is available for Windows, Linux, Android, iOS, macOS, Raspberry Pi, and can be used as a browser extension.